bumper. There we go. There we go. Bumper. Where's Bumper? Tuff right here, Tuffy. Tuff, looky. Tuffy.
There's a lot to video, Daddy.
Good swimming, Tuff. Good boy.
Axel says, I like the bumper. Mommy, you didn't get us one of those.
The pink things float.
Get out of the way.
Hurry up, Deco! Deco, this way! Come on, Deck! Bring it!
Getting this, Bob? Look at my pro swimmer, Bob.
He left the bumper all over there.
Bob, look.
Going, Bob. Good boy. You're a good swimmer.
Good boy, Axel.
I like to watch him swim. Good boy.
The Axel in the green?
Yes? No, that's Deco. Axel's in purple. Axel's
There
in
you
purple.
go. Okay. That looks more like him. That's your daddy, T. Get your daddy out here.
We'll get the other bumper when we go that way.
Good manners.
So did they have a good visit?
They did. Mostly for T. I was a little worried about. Look at Axel. Look at Axel. He's got. I took it away from us.
They're going to sleep all the way home now.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, Tuff. That one didn't go very far. This one.
The tape people. Axel doesn't take it. He just, I don't care if you bite me, I'm going to take it.
Joe, where do you think you're going, sweet?
Are you going to find that one? Good job, Jelly. Good job. And Tag's like, what the heck is going on?
This one?
In the water? Get out.
Couple swim all day long.
Oh, Axel will too. He's drawing eggs.
Oh, there's a sticker.
Oh, you guys are funny.
Oh, look at Tigo. He's a good swimmer. Good boy, T.
Come on, Jelly. You getting that all on film?
Oh, yeah, he's on the right-hand side, Stace, this time? Oh, yeah, I see
Yeah.
him.
Mine all have
It's
harnesses.
good that you guys, you have yours all color-coded. I kind of have mine color-coded.
Yeah, yeah. They ought to have a good nap.
Yeah, they
Oh, we're in the dirty water down here. There's some cleaner stuff. Tape the T running. Look at you guys. Go, baby, go! Monet, I'm going to put you in the car. Stop it. Tuffy! Tuffy! You want your frisbee? They're funny. Sometimes they are in a shredding mode and sometimes they're not. It just depends on. Tuffy, you need another throw toy? Where's another one?